welcome back or welcome to our channel. My name's Alice and I'm from Zero Waste Cartel, and we film videos all about sustainable living. So, why is going zero waste in the bathroom the best place to start? Firstly, just think about all the products that you have to repeatedly buy month in, month out. Making swaps is better for you financially, and it helps eliminate any unnecessary chemicals and avoid animal testing. First things first, what should you do with your existing plastic stuff? One of the best rules to stick to throughout your whole sustainable journey, and this applies to any room in your house, is to use what you have first. Now this provides us with a good excuse to go through our bathrooms and check all our products for the best before dates, because they have them. If you find anything that you need to get rid of, simply wash the container thoroughly. See if you can repurpose it. Some things come in cute little tins and you might be able to use it for jewelry or knickknacks. If you can't reuse a container, look up TerraCycle or any local drop-off bins and recycling plants where you can recycle these containers accordingly. Now let's start swapping. I'm going to break your bathroom down into 5 categories. So we've got hair products, skincare, makeup, shaving, and all the other bits and bobs. So let's start with hair. So the first thing you're going to want to switch is your shampoo and conditioner bottles. Check out these super cute shampoo bars. Now you might be skeptical, but don't worry, it's not 2013. Back in the day, shampoo bars had this really squeaky, gluggy, kind of build up, smudgy vibe when you washed your hair, basically as if you were washing your hair with a bar of soap you grabbed off the laundry sink. But don't worry, we've mastered the recipe and now they're an absolute delight. I do have a full video on how to use shampoo and a conditioner bar on our channel if you need to have a look at that. On to skincare. So I'm talking about makeup, body wash, soaps, all that jazz. Now my 2 tips that have helped me over the last 5 years are elimination and concoction. First, let's talk about elimination. What do I mean? Basically, get rid of anything and stop buying stuff you don't need. Personally, I've gone from being someone who has multiple different scrubs, serums, moisturizers, washes, to now only using 1 cleansing bar and 1 body wash bar. You can even look into using 1 ingredient for multiple reasons. For instance, I use argan oil on my hair and on my face. When you're first looking at cutting down on what you're buying, take a look at everything you have and ask yourself, do you really need that? Now onto my favorite point, which is concoctions. What am I talking about? Basically, when I say concoctions, I mean DIY recipes. And when I say DIY recipes, I mean making your own products. So these can range from makeup remover to making your own deodorant. We have a bunch of blogs on our website and frequently post tutorials on our social media channels and our YouTube channel if you want to see any recipes. Trust me, you're going to love finding DIY recipes that work specifically for you. One of my favorite swaps has been getting rid of my makeup wipes and my makeup remover and trading them in for coconut oil, witch hazel, and reusable cotton rounds. Changed my life. If you can't find a recipe that fits you for whatever you're looking to make, you can always look at what products your bulk food stores provide, or look for a product that is sustainably sourced and sustainably packaged. Now there are some things in your bathroom you will find you cannot make, but you can swap. Body wash, I'm looking at you. So body wash usually comes in plastic bottles. They're super convenient, they got the pump action going. Here's what you can do about body wash. Again, much like your shampoo bar, swap it for a bar. While you're on this, forget about that plastic netting poof that you use to lather up your body wash. Nature has provided us with its own exfoliants. Soap bags and loofahs. A compostable gift from Mother Nature herself. Now, let's talk hair removal. I'm all for not shaving, but if you want to be silky smooth, there is an environmentally friendly way of doing so. Safety razors are an old concept, and frankly, I'm devastated they ever went out of fashion. They're a 100% recyclable razor which use a single razor blade. A single blade is actually a better shave than having your 5 blades in your regular plastic razor. It can take some getting used to, but they actually give a smoother, closer shape. And as someone prone to ingrown hairs and rashes, it has been amazing. So the single blade is incredibly sharp and precise and glides over your skin. And as it's only one blade, it doesn't have continuous blades coming after it, irritating the pore or your skin. And this is where ingrown hairs and rashes are caused. Like any razor, they need to be used with caution. So what I do is I collect all my razors in a glass jar with a lid, and then you can send them back to the address if they recycle them. Now that we've covered some ground and we've covered it quickly, let's move on to some other bits and bobs. Firstly, you're going to want a good natural deodorant. But I hear the critic in you. Will I smell? I'm not going to lie, there is a transition period of about 1 to 2 weeks. But all you need to do is reapply a little bit more regularly for this 2-week period. This is because your body is going through the process of eliminating the buildup of ingredients such as aluminium from your store-bought deodorants. Aluminium is used to block and clog the pores and stop your body from sweating. Sweating is our body's natural way of releasing toxins. We need to sweat. All that natural deodorant does is simply mask the body odor smell, which over time will fade anyway. Natural deodorant smells so good as well. My personal favorite is the blueberry and geranium. So nice. The number one rule here is to have fun. Enjoy the process. Enjoy taking a little bit more care in what you buy and what you apply to your skin. The bathroom is only one room in your home, but it's now well on the way to being zero waste. Like and subscribe if this video helped you conquer the plastic in your bathroom. There's absolutely no right or wrong order to any of these steps or swaps. Whichever you find is your biggest plastic contributor, or whatever you need to buy next, can be where you start. If you're on a sustainable journey or are interested in any of these topics, subscribe to our channel and we put out eco-friendly videos every week. If there's any reviews or tutorials or recipes you'd like us to do, please comment on any of our videos. And thanks again for watching.